Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to stake crypto on Robinhood. Staking crypto allows you to earn passive income by holding and validating certain cryptocurrencies. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication to secure your account. Next, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Currently, Robinhood supports staking for Ethereum and other proof-of-stake coins. Make sure you have a sufficient balance of the chosen cryptocurrency in your Robinhood wallet. To stake your crypto, click on the Earn or Stake button next to the cryptocurrency. You will then be presented with the staking details, including the estimated rewards and the minimum staking period. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. After reviewing the details, click on the Stake Now button to initiate the staking process. The staked amount will be locked for a certain period of time during which you will not be able to sell or transfer it. You will start earning rewards immediately and they will be added to your account on a regular basis. It is essential to note that staking crypto carries some risks, including market volatility and regulatory changes. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before staking any cryptocurrency. Additionally, make sure to keep your account and wallet secure to prevent any unauthorized access. Finally, it is crucial to monitor your staked cryptocurrencies and adjust your staking portfolio as needed. You can do this by tracking the performance of your staked coins and rebalancing your portfolio to minimize risks and maximize rewards. In conclusion, staking crypto on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can help you earn passive income. By following these steps and best practices, you can start staking your cryptocurrencies and take advantage of this innovative feature. Always remember to stay informed and adapt to any changes in the cryptocurrency market to ensure the success of your staking journey.